Hello and welcome to another update video on ICP. From time to time I get requests about ICP, and it is a chart that is in a lifetime downtrend, so can easily go down further because that's just in line with a larger trend. Okay, there is currently nothing that would tell me that ICP is going to go back into a larger recovery because it's just recently printed completely new all-time lows. Okay, so it would take really a lot of work to signal a recovery, but there are some signals that we can check for. There are some resistances that we can track. And so let's take a look at the daily time frame, maybe even the 4-hour time frame. First of all, the first meaningful resistance area is between $3.77 and $6.54. This is simply, let's say a Fibonacci resistance based on the distance here, distance of the last significant swing high all the way down to the all-time low. And we are looking here at three levels: the 38.2 retracement, the 50% retracement, and the 61.8 retracement between $3.77 and $6.54. Because this is a standard resistance area for white wave 4. It's very much possible that the move to the downside is unfolding as a 5-wave sequence, in which we have seen wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, and wave 3. This could be 4, and we get one more low in 5. So to really consider that something more bullish is unfolding, we would need a break above that initial resistance area. But we don't need to wait probably for a break above 650, even though I have to say this is not only the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement, it is also the top of these previous swing highs from May, June, July. So an important area to watch, a significant resistance area to watch there. So, not only Fibonacci resistance, but also structural resistance. So it's something to check. Now, in addition to that, there is one more level, if we zoom in, that is meaningful. And that level is here, the last swing high, early October, swing highs, $4.71. For me, everything that's happening below that level is really not bullish. What I mean is, if we see a large pump like today, large pump, it was meaningful. It's ICP is, I think, the 4th best performer in the last 24 hours. So there is something going on, but in my opinion, this is all meaningless as long as we stay below $4.70. At least from a structural point of view. For a trader, it might not be meaningless because, there was quite a bit of a pump today, but you need to see it in relation of what's happening here, and then it loses meaning. Okay, so my view is it could just be part of that larger pullback that is already unfolding, because we had that dump to all-time lows, a swift recovery, and now we're ranging. We could still be working on a pullback, and the support areas between $1.85 and $2.66. This would be our standard, our standard support area we're watching here. The price could easily come down, test this support area, and then from there we might grind higher. But let's first see if we, first of all, let's see if we can break out. As long as we don't do that, I think the risk or the potential for a larger correction is very high. That's the update on ICP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.